कॉफी चाय कॉफी थी जल्दी फास्ट थी कॉफी
I can't hear. Selective hearing, are you all with me towards this initiative? Post that, we will be announcing your group numbers. Those who are walking will move out from gate number 7. Announcements will be done by Mr. Lalwani here. You need to pay attention. Groups are leaving staggering. You are all not leaving.
Take out your masks for now. मास्क हटाओ. अभी मास्क हटा दो जैवी. ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे कि पता नहीं
Mrs. Renu Hansraj, the corporator of our area, to please step up on the stage. May I request Mr. Jayesh Choksi, please come up on the stage. I request the office bearers, Mr. Bharat Shah, the secretary, honorary secretary, Mr. Harish Choksi, the honorary treasurer, and our trustee, one of our 3 trustees, Mr. Jayant Parekh, to please come up on the stage. May I also request Mr. Kaushal Mehta, the president of the PTA, to please step up on the stage. May I request Mrs. Raki Mukherjee to also come up on the stage. I extend a very warm welcome to, I do hope by the end of the day and from tomorrow, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan that we are participating in will show a world of a difference, not only in your home, which obviously you are keeping your homes clean, but your environment, your school and the society at large. I request Mr. Jay Chokshi to formally welcome Mr. Sacham with a flower. Being his vision and as the MLA of our area.
First of all, I welcome Amit ji, the dynamic personality, MLA, and I like him because it's always result oriented. He believes in action and the result, not only the action. Like other politicians just talk about the action without any definite result. And same enthusiastic, Renuji, our corporator in this area, my colleagues on the dais, parents, teachers, my friends and students here. First of all, let me see, I have seen in the past and in my experience of 20 years, the parents are becoming little self-centric. They think of them, they think of their family, but not of the society. I don't blame them, but this is the environment like what is happening. So it is as an institute of responsibility to give insight about the social responsibility to the students. And that's how we adopted a village in near Wada. The reason for adopting the village to do some social work for the society and to give this kind of a life, what experience to the students, the realities of the life, which most of the student doesn't know. And that's the reason we mainly adopted the village. So apart from social, now they know what is the responsibility of towards the society and the life reality. The same way today's occasion is to support our Prime Minister Ji, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan with the difference. We are going to distribute about 1,400 bins, 700 blue bins and 700 about green bins, which will cost around 30 lakhs rupees to the area of the 14th society. The reason for doing is the school is promoted by the 14th society, so there is some responsibility of the schools towards the society. And we believe the associates and the 14th society are the parents and we are the children. And now the school has grown up, now is the self-sufficient, so it is our duty is to give back to the parents. And the same way, when you grow up, in future you say that have the same kind of feeling for the parent and the responsibility towards the parents. I will not take much of the time because I think you are all in hurry. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you.
So we take the pledge before that. Okay, now you speak. You speak. You speak. We are planning to make them self-sustainable. Not taking it further now, I request the President of the PTA, Mr. Kaushal Mehta, to initiate the pledge, and I want all the students to repeat after him in earnesty to the way the pledge is taken. Can I have your hands in front, Mr. Mehta?
Good morning, everyone. I want everybody to repeat the pledge after I say one sentence at a time. Are we ready? Okay. I pledge to keep my country and environment clean. I pledge to support the dream of Swachh Bharat, started by our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Yes, and the most all of us. Sir, and now we initiate. Okay. We are just moving out with the
भारत, उसको एक कदम और आगे बढ़ाया जा रहा है बच्चों की तरफ।
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी, हमारे जो आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी है, उन्होंने जो स्वच्छ भारत का जो एक मिशन इस देश में उन्होंने जो शुरू किया है, वो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पूरे देश को ये मिशन प्रेरणा दे रहा है, जहाँ पर हर एक रेसिडेंशियल लोकेलिटी, हर एक स्लम हो, स्कूल हो, संस्था हो, हर एक व्यक्ति हो, वो उस मिशन से प्रेरित होकर आज ये हर एक के जहन में ये बात आ रही है कि हमें अपने आप को, अपने घर को, अपने आजू बाजू के परिसर को और हम जहाँ पर रहते हैं या काम करते हैं उस परिसर को स्वच्छ रखना है। क्योंकि बहुत सालों में इस प्रकार का एक कोई मिशन कोई भी प्रधानमंत्री ने इस देश में शुरू नहीं किया था और कोई सोच भी नहीं सकता था कि स्वच्छता जैसी बात को देश का प्रधानमंत्री उसकी बात कर सकता है। और उन्होंने लाल किले पे से पहली बार जब 15 अगस्त के दिन पर ये एक कॉल दिया स्वच्छ भारत का, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये कॉल सक्सेसफुल हो चुका है और बहुत बड़े पैमाने पे देशवासियों को ये कॉल प्रेरणा दे रहा है।
कितने बच्चे इस पूरी क्लीनलीनेस ड्राइव में पार्टिसिपेट?
पूरी स्कूल के बच्चे अपना क्लीनलीनेस ड्राइव में पार्ट ले रहे हैं। जो नरेंद्र मोदी जी का जो अभियान है कि स्वच्छ भारत, आज इतना एक छोटे बच्चे को भी अपील करके गया है कि लगता है कि अपने को स्वच्छता पे पूरा जोर देना चाहिए। दिस इज द मेन मिशन।
कितने बच्चे और कितने पेरेंट्स और कितने टीचर्स पार्टिसिपेट?
आज पूरी स्कूल के अपना 3000 बच्चे, पेरेंट्स और अपना मैनेजमेंट सब पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं इसमें। पूरा जूस स्कीम रोड नंबर 1 से लेके रोड नंबर 13 तक पूरा एरिया कवर करेंगे। ने मेन तो लोगों को सिविक सेंस लाने की, अवेयरनेस लाने के लिए प्रोग्राम है। क्लीनलीनेस भी करेंगे एलोंग विद अपना सिविक अवेयरनेस। इसके लिए लोगों को मैसेज सब एक घर में जाएंगे, प्लस जूस स्कीम के जितने प्लॉट है, जितने बिल्डिंग है, सब बिल्डिंग में स्कूल की तरफ से 2 अपना डस्टबिन दे रहे हैं, एक फॉर ड्राई वेस्ट, एक वेट टू गार्बेज के लिए। ने सेपरेशन का मैसेज जो है वो हर घर में भेज रहे हैं। प्लस से नो टू प्लास्टिक ऑल्सो अपना उसके लिए भी कंपेन कर रहे हैं। और अपने जो पेपर बैग है, पेपर बैग अपना बनाने का अपना बच्चे को भी अपना वो विलेज को सिखाया है। एक वाड़ा विलेज में काटकरी विलेज है, वो छोटा विलेज के अंदर कोई एक्टिविटी नहीं थी, तो स्कूल ने वो एडॉप्ट किया, स्कूल ने वो अपना विलेज एडॉप्ट किया है। ने वो विलेज के अंदर हर घर में उसको कैसे पेपर बैग बनाई जाती है, तो हमारे स्कूल के बच्चे रेगुलर वीकेंड में जाते हैं, उनको ट्रेनिंग देते हैं। वो जो पेपर बैग बनती है वो पूरी अपना एवरी सैटरडे यहाँ से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं हम। तो इससे क्या हुआ, उनको लाइवलीहुड भी मिलेगी। हर विलेजर को आज पर डे मिनिमम दे विल 200 रुपया कमाएंगे। ने उनको खुद को भी इतनी इसमें इंटरेस्ट है। हाँ।
What other activities children are doing? They are also doing state plays also.
ठीक।
To see, you know, the activity which we see,
Yeah.
really mind blowing. You taking initiative of PM IAT. Tell us how you got this idea, especially on children's day.
से एज ए इंस्टीट्यूशन हम एजुकेशन तो दे रहे हैं, पर एजुकेशन देने से आदमी सक्सेसफुल नहीं होता है। और दूसरा, उसको सेंसिटाइज करना मांगता है एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में। सोशली दे शुड बी मोर एक्टिव। वो सब सोच के हमने ये एक्टिविटीज़ चालू किया है। और ये एक्टिविटीज़ के हिसाब से जो भी हमारे बच्चे लोग हैं, स्टूडेंट जो है, दे विल ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबल होएगा एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में। वो लोग एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में सोचेंगे कि ये सब बच्चे फ्यूचर के सिटीजन हैं। तो आज जितना उसका माइंडसेट डाल दिया कि जितना एनवायरनमेंट ध्यान रखने का, सोसाइटी का ध्यान रखने का, तो उतना वो लोग आगे जाके उतना ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी संभालेंगे।
लेकिन ऑन रेगुलर इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम आपको लगता है कि इस तरह की ड्राइव होती रहनी चाहिए?
या हम जब भी इंस्टीट्यूट में कुछ भी एक्टिविटीज़ लेते हैं, वो पूरा स्ट्रेटजी करके, प्लानिंग करके करते हैं। वन टाइम एक्टिविटीज़ हमारे उधर कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। तो इसके हिसाब से हमने नेक्स्ट 3 इयर्स का ऑलरेडी प्लान कर दिया है कि बच्चे लोग को क्या ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबल बनाने का और ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव बनाने का टुवर्ड्स द सोसाइटी। थैंक यू।
And it makes me feel so proud that the institutions are now stepping forward, and an institution like Utpal Sangvi, which is so recognized, is trying to inculcate the habit in the students of segregation, because like rightly said, our dumping yards are going full, and habit of segregation is something basic that we need to start. And then of course the next step will be composting and zero garbage.
You can start with children, during the message go far, you know, when we talk about...
Of course, the best messengers to take forward any message home is the children, because what the children do, they always go back home and they speak to their parents about it. And somehow, even if the parents are not wanting to listen, they're forced to listen to their children. So this is the best way to take any message home.
Do you think the trend is changing, you know, when we talk about the previous, you know, a few years back, Children's Day was celebrated altogether in a different way, where we, you know, talk about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and all. Now we're talking about children.
Yes, of course, we have to change with times, and this is progressive India, this is young India. We all want to make a change for tomorrow. This is the generation for tomorrow. So I would say, if this is the objective and this is the agenda, we must have Children's Day every day, according to me.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Is there more place? Check inside now.
I'll ask you. How do you celebrate? What is Children's Day for you?
Group 13 is ready.
Children's Day is it's Nehruji's birthday for me.
Okay, now you know you are participating in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. What would you say about that? And what will you be doing? Look somewhere here.
I don't know what we'll be doing.
Can I? Which press is this?
It's basically a news wire which is very similar to INS and ANI. It will be distributed to all the channels.
Okay. So what we're doing right now with my young one will support is we are creating a civic awareness drive. It's basically sensitizing the whole community. So some part of it is going to be brooming the streets. Some of them are going to sing jingle. Some of them are going to wave out flags which has different slogans like the ones that it's basically not only a cleanliness drive but a sensitivity to the entire community. And we have around 22 routes, 22 groups who are identified who are going to be covering the entire 14 societies of Juhu Parle Education Society.
How happy you are to be a part of such awareness campaign, you know, and what you have to say about that?
Yeah, I'm happy because it's a part of Jews. So if we keep it clean, then it's good for our society, and so
We can take that girl. Come here.
Come here. If we can talk about it.
Can you talk about it?
Look somewhere.
Are you really happy to be a part of this event?
Yeah.
Are you really looking forward to it?
Yeah.
Can we have a nice round of applause for this event?
This project is very good. It is bringing a change in the environment, and this is the first time a school is doing it, so I'm very happy, and I'm a part of this and feeling lucky for it, and I hope that this brings a change and a good thought process in the people.
Is Group 5 ready?
They'll be doing a stage play, creating awareness. What you will be doing? How are you participating in this?
I'm going to do a cleanliness drive, and I think I'll be supporting other people for it.
What would you say about
Mrs. Alka Oza.
initiative that is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan?
I feel that's very
Mrs. Alka Oza.
bring a difference in the environment. That is because that is the only weakness of India. That is very more of dirt than cleanliness.
Be a part of this because it's creating awareness in the society, and we all are proud to be a part of this. Finally, we have done something good in life.
It is very unique for the Children's Day event. And we are cleaning our own country.
And it's for a good cause.
It's not about we are cleaning another country. It's our own country. We should keep it clean.
And we should clean our house. It's a better environment for us.
Less pollution, more global warming is increasing a lot. Thank you.
It increases
more tourism in our country.
Thank you so much.
ये वाले बच्चे पर आगे और भी हैं।
ले लिया भाई काट से नहीं उतर ये छोटे बच्चे का लोग है ना फोटो ले लिया भाई ले लिया
ये उतर come baby come
कर लो both video and photo.
Can you take one in this also, please?
जा रे जा
पीछे 31
हो क्या वहाँ पे साफ कोई करेंगे साफ कर रहा है साफ कर रहे कि नहीं कर रहे देखो देखो कर रहे कि नहीं बराबर है
Awareing people about it. We shouldn't throw garbage outside, and we should put it in the dustbin and separate dry and wet waste about it.
What is the best part of doing this? Now, how do you think you're taking a message of PM Modi forward by doing this?
Yeah. Actually, we need to clean our world. It is getting very bad and polluted and everything. So yeah.
What is Children's Day for you?
Yeah, actually it's a good day for children. We need to party, but even this is a right and good thing which we are doing right now, and yeah, it is a great thing to do. We appreciate it.
Yes.
Guys, you're giving the shampoo. You're getting stuck in the trees.
Oh, this is how you are in the day.
हाँ go ahead.
ऐसे ही महीनों पहले वर्षा काफी गंदा उसे साफ किया गया किस ड्राइव को भी अंजाम दिया जा रहा है यहाँ पर मौजूद है और इससे बात करेंगे कि कहाँ